Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the heart set on the sky achievement badge in Heartopia. So in right now, Heartopia has a brand new hot air balloon event where you can explore the city from the sky. And there's also a new achievement badge that you can unlock that called heart set on the sky. So first, just head over to the Wheel Mountain and find the Gazing Boy NPC, this one. And then next, just start the hot air balloon event. You can join the event when the NPC hosts it every Saturday, but you can also start it by yourself anytime like this. And there are two routes available. In here, I recommend choosing the Flower Fields route since it has a shorter durations. And then just simply pay 2,000 gold to start like this. And then for the achievement, I highly recommend playing solo because you need to be first person to perform several actions in here, which is much easier when you're alone. And then after that, during the ride, you need to complete these actions. First, you just need to use solo actions 4 times like this. In here, I want to do solo actions 4 times like this. Just use any solo actions that you have like this. And then next, for the next actions, you need to chat 5 times like this. Just chat anything in this chat history like this. Just do chat 5 times. Okay, like this. 2 times again like this. Okay, like this. And then next in here you need to take 5 photos. So just open your camera and then just take 5 photos like this. And then for the last actions, you just need to play an instrument that you have. And then for this instrument part, you can just simply play random notes on here. It doesn't have to be a specific songs. Just play random notes like this. And then next, once the balloon ride is finished, you will unlock the heart set on the sky achievement badge like this. And the badge will look like this. You can see it at the achievement menu. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. You can see it. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.